Welcome to the VG Tutorials. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix paths in macros that include input files. When you import a file during macro recording, for example, a CAD model, an evaluation template, or whatever, the path to that input file will be saved in the macro as an absolute path. If you remove that file from its original location and save it somewhere else, the macro will not be able to locate that file during playback. Or, if you interchange macros with colleagues or customers, and you haven't saved the input files at the exact same location, the macros will not work. But the automation tool allows you to easily detect and edit broken paths to make the macro work again. In this example, I have recorded a macro with the import of a CAD model. In the Macro Details section, I can see the path in which the CAD model is saved. Now, what I did was remove the CAD model from that location and save it in another one. So, if I run the macro now, I will get an error message. But no worries, there is a very easy solution. In the Advanced dialog of the Automation tool, the red arrow in the Input/Output Files section indicates that the path is no longer valid. Now, all I have to do is double-click the path and browse for the CAD model. And the path has been repaired. If I now go back and run the macro again, the CAD model will be imported without any problem. Remember that if you create a job, this can't happen, since the job file includes all associated files and data. So if you want to share your macros, you might want to create a job. And that's it. If you want to learn more about automation in VG Studio Max, make sure to check out our other tutorials on that topic. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll find a list of all our tutorials on our documentation landing page via Help, Show Tutorials. Plus, make sure to register on Nexus and make it your go-to place for sharpening your expertise. Get access to this video and other information material to get the best out of our software. And visit the VG community to exchange ideas, ask questions, and discuss topics with other users and our Hexagon experts. And stay up to date on the latest news and developments. Register now, a world of insight awaits. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Nexus.